Welcome to the Counteract YouTube channel. Thank you for joining us for this short video tutorial.
In this video we're going to talk about making tax digital and the changes in the Counteract system. The Making Tax Digital is a HMRC driven project to digitise tax submissions. The scope of these changes in Counteract is limited to your VAT. The development work is now complete on this and we are whitelisted on the HMRC website. Making Tax Digital comes into effect on the 1st of April 2019. I'm sorry, it's not an April Fool's joke. And your first submission is at the end of the first VAT reporting period that starts on or after this date. The vast majority of our customers will be one company, one VAT number, but we do support group reporting for multi-companies. It's worth noting these submissions are directly from the information held in your Counteract VAT nominal accounts and cannot be manipulated outside the system before this submission. This is a HMRC directive. The HMRC wants to be proactive, so you will receive a reminder notification via email that your VAT return is due in 30 days. You need to check your Counteract VAT reports in the meantime, look at the data and prepare. And if you've got any questions, please speak to support. Upon submitting your VAT to the HMRC, we recommend you print a detailed copy of your VAT report and store for future reference. Also, be careful not to post any journals to periods where you've already submitted your return. Board are not able to provide accountancy advice, but we can discuss how your VAT figures are collected, so please contact us if you have any questions. And also, please do not panic, we're here to help you, we'll do our best to provide whatever advice we can.
Hello everybody, my name is Robin and I'm here to talk to you about Making Tax Digital. So Making Tax Digital is in the nominal ledger under end of day period. Let's go here and it's the new icon at the very end, Making Tax Digital for Business VAT Dashboard. So you click on here and you see if you have multiple registration numbers you'll see this pop up. If you don't panic, you won't see it. But if you do, you'd come in here and you select your VAT registration number and your company. So you select the top one here. Okay. And this is where everyone sees the same thing. So in order for us to view and submit your VAT reports, you need to grant us authority. You can revoke this authority at any time. So we do this by going on to the HMRC website. Isn't that fun? And you authorize us. And then this is just your HMRC online account, which hopefully you've set up. Ignore the fact that this says test user. That's because I'm still in the test system. So we enter in our password, and there we go. Okay. So now you need to authorize us to interact with HMRC on your behalf. So the Counteract software application is requesting to view and change your VAT. It says you will be able to do that for 18 months. Then you need to re-grant the authority. Don't worry, we'll tell you. So here we go. Okay, so now you have to copy this authorization code. Copy. Allow access. And we paste it into Counteract. And now we go and we get access permissions from HMRC. So the first thing the VAT dashboard does is it gathers information from and for HMRC. Here we go. So this is our home screen on the Making Tax Digital dashboard. So you see at the top here, there's an online help to the HMRC website, which will talk to you about, which will give you some information about Making Tax Digital. You've got your company name and your VAT number on the screen here. So we have your obligations. These are all this is when your obligations to HMRC are due. There's currently only one, as you can see. And yes, I am aware it's for 2017. So hopefully yours will not say 2017. It's an open status, and then here we like to tell you when your first VAT is due. This one tells you that it's overdue, in fact. And down here we have the 9 boxes which says what your VAT is. Now we get these from your VAT report. And if you click the drill down button, oh, here's a familiar screen. This is your VAT report. So just like the VAT report, you can drill down and see where everything is from. So, but hopefully you will already have done that, got everything to where it should be. And then here we go. Now you can see along the side here, this is slightly different from the VAT report, is that it shows you your VAT account, because some people have multiple VAT accounts, depending on your accountancy system, and that shows you which account it came from. There you go. The next tab along, payments and liabilities. This information isn't stored, so it has to fetch it live from HMRC. This shows what payments have been made to HMRC and what liabilities there are off your system. And then the very exciting last tab, submissions. Oh look, we've submitted nothing, so it tells us nothing. But this is where your submissions will appear. And I'll tell you more about that once we've done a submission. So we go back to the main tab. Nothing on here. And we've drilled down and we're happy, and so we're going to go submit. This is a required declaration from HMRC saying that when you submit your VAT information, it's a legal declaration, so you have to understand that you are going to do that. Affirmative action here, that I do understand and I'm not doing fraud. Okay. So now it's submitting the VAT return to HMRC. Here we go. We have our VAT has been submitted. So we've got a start and the end of the period, the fact that it was a success, yay, the date that it was processed, the X-correlated ID. Now this is very important. If you ever want to talk to HMRC about what you submitted, you have to give them how they trace all the traffic to and from the HMRC website is using this X-correlated ID. You also have a charge reference, which will be bank, direct debit, and the direct debit charge reference, or blank if you've done neither. And here we can see those same 9 boxes saying with the values that you've submitted. This is the process date, the process time, correlated ID, charge reference, a form bundle number. That's something else they return back. They may ask you for that, so you can all link everything together. Yeah, so that's about it. I hope it's pretty self-explanatory, and of course if you have any questions, do ask support.
It's also worth thinking about how to deal with bad debts on your VAT return. You can view the help that's in the Counteract system. If you go into help and type in debt, you will see that there's a help topic that I'm displaying at the moment that talks about dealing with bad debts. At the user meeting, some of our customers asked us about how to deal with VAT on EC purchase, and at the moment you're currently making manual adjustments to deal with this. A couple of our customers have submitted how that works. We've looked at the data on the HMRC website, and we've made changes in the 2.7c version of Counteract so that the correct boxes are populated on the Making Tax Digital dashboard, and this is submitted correctly. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any questions on Making Tax Digital, please let us know.
Thank you for watching this short tutorial. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us on the information displayed on the screen for further assistance.